After designing the database on paper, I've built the first working draft of SpaceWise, and also I've been working on learning how to learn to, obviously, as the name says, learning faster and learning more efficiently many topics. So let's get going. Alright, I have just taken a cold shower and gotten ready for school. And right now I'm gonna be explaining what I've done for the past 3 hours and what I've been working on. So let's go. First, I started with the database. I tried to incorporate it into this program, and as you see, I have done it. So I've done everything. Like all of this code was not here before. So I went from this little scratch to this, and right now, yeah, let me just explain you kind of like what this is all about. I'm gonna give a big overview, like it's just like a summary. So here we have many tables that are connected to one another. We have the student, which has many connections to the traits, to the proficiency of the student, like in a topic, the lessons he has completed, and the settings, of course. Also, the results of the simulation that the student has gotten in the many simulations regarding like math, physics, rocket science, space science, all that stuff. Here we have the flight data table, which is going to be tracking, making like snapshots of the data of the rocket when the rocket is flying. So for example, if the rocket flies and it gets to max speed, then we can make a snapshot here and like see how many fuel was remaining, what was the velocity, what was the altitude, what time exactly was that, like what time exactly the rocket arrived to max speed. Here we have more data in a JSON file that I can put, and here we have the simulation ID, the rocket ID, when the snapshot was created in database in real time, and created that when the snapshot was created. So yeah, nice. Then we have the questions for the quizzes. We have the knowledge type, knowledge order. Here I can actually put some enums. For example, like we have in student traits. If we go to student traits, we have an enum here, which means that we can only have two values. We only have strength and weakness right now in this example. If we had more values, we could have 3, 4, 5. Then that's basically it. I don't think I want to explain much more right now to not get into much detail, because I also have to get going. It's 8:11 a.m. so I need to leave the house. here, after I finished kind of like a base, I asked ChatGPT, what can I improve, right? What can I add? And then I added some things, I improved some things, I improved the structure. Here we have many things. Here it gave me the code for some tables. Here's where I got the idea from the simulation results. Here's where I got the idea from the student traits, strengths and weaknesses. And every decision that I made has been, not every single one, but the most important ones, I believe, were added. I added them here, and I explained basically what I added, why I did it, or what I removed, or if I separated the strengths and weaknesses, because the strengths were in a joint with a table of students, but I separated them because of many good things, as we said here, for clean code, for better scalability, and so it doesn't violate the principles of creating a good database. What else? I still haven't done this yet, but I will do it. Then I asked why, like explain to me this table, like why is this happening? I tried to understand really well the things. I asked about JSON a lot because I wasn't very familiar with it. I just kept asking, and I improved many things. Then what did I do? I did this. I started to work on my marginal gains as I had planned yesterday. So work on your marginal gains for learning efficiency. In my marginal gains, which are the 1% tasks that will compound over time and give me a very big return, like very big benefit for me. Well, I worked on these tasks in terms of the learning efficiency, and my task, the one that I thought of, was this one. This is a place where I can track my learning system, my current learning system. And here we have the when, the what, and the why. When, here 1 day or 1 week before the main learning event. This is like the lesson, the lecture, the big session of studying. And then 2 days after, and here I just very specifically noted down what I did to learn. And here are the results that I feel. So yeah, it's not very nice, but well, then I wrote down why did I do all of this. Oh, not this, and then I give my certainty. Am I actually certain that this is gonna give me this result? Am I certain? And here I put it. This is a template from a YouTube video of a learning expert. His name is Justin Sung, and that's a very good thing that I did. Then, what else? Nothing else. That was basically it. 2 hours and a half, I believe it was. So, yeah, right now I'm gonna be going to school, and after I'm gonna be cooking because I haven't had time in the morning. So, let's go, let's get it done. See you in a second. Just came back from school and I cooked as well. Right now I'm gonna be eating. So we have the same as always. Here some avocado, some chicken breast. But here we have a different thing. We have some cheese and some sausages. Let's get this done, and then I have to go buy some food and get out of the house, and then I'm gonna be studying. So let's get it. Food has been bought. Here we have it, some tissues and some food over there. Let me just get this out over here. Oh my god, it fell down. Okay, no problem. I'm gonna put all of this into its place, and then I'm gonna be studying. And here we have some cats that are a bit behaving strange. Alright, I'm gonna be putting on some good old jazz. Good old jazz. This is not jazz. Yes, it is. I'm gonna be putting some good old jazz And after that, I'm gonna be studying what exactly? Learning how to learn. So I'm gonna be doing some things and be right back. Let's go. Alright, so for the past hour I've been watching a course, 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 course, course. Course. I'm watching a course about planning and about studying and learning how to learn. And unfortunately, I can't show it because it's a paid program and I don't think I'm gonna be able to show it over here. But what I'm gonna be showing indeed is gonna be my actions and the action that I'm gonna take basically from watching this course. Yeah. So here we got something of a goal, a little thing. We got 30-day performance goals, the 14-day performance goals, anticipating barriers, and building the schedule. So these are goals that are based on attributes. Like, who is the person that is gonna be able to achieve this goal? And what attributes does this person have? Then I need to create 30-day goals that are based on those attributes and what I'm gonna be able to do. What's the person that is perfectly able to achieve this? Well, in 30 days, I've written this. I'm gonna be able to have a very good picture understanding of topics like coding, math, physics in a relatively quickly time period. 3 days per topic here. Then on the mindset side, here I have changed my mindset habits completely, and I love to make mistakes. I'm not afraid of them, and I look forward to make mistakes with excitement. Also, I'm able to manage stress effectively and perfectly, and I can work no matter how I feel. If I don't completely feel like it, well, I still work, and if I feel stressed, I still work because I have good stress management and I feel okay. I think I have big progress. I have made big progress on this one already, but I'll just put it there. Then for the 14-day, they're the same thing, but on a bit less. So I'm able to do this, but not as fast, right? Same here. I'm not as consistent into being excited to make mistakes. So then I'm gonna be anticipating the barriers. This is kind of like foreseeing failure, which is what I've been doing for the past week or so. But I'm basically going to try to understand what are my limiting habits, trying to predict what I'm gonna be limited by when I try to achieve this goal, and try to understand how can I protect my time. Like, how can I schedule my work blocks into places, and not only my work blocks, but my habits and the things that I really want to do that are going to be good for my goal. Where can I schedule those? How can I protect my time so I get those done? And yeah, that's basically it for now. Right now I'm gonna go for a run, and yeah, I'll just record a little video, and we bolt. Let's go. Just got back from the run. I'm here with the bike, and I'm coming home now. So let's go. Whew, I had forgotten to record a video while running. I did it at the end, but I was on the bike. Anyways, now what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna take a good old shower, then I'm gonna have dinner, my good old eggs and sardines, and then I'm gonna record the introduction for this video, and I'm gonna be editing the video and planning for the next day. So let's go. Alright, here is the meal. So, as always, we've got 8 eggs, sardines, peanuts, and the new recent addition, the tomatoes. And of course, if I want, a bit of salt. That's gonna be the meal. Let's get it done. Alright, now I'm gonna be meditating for 10 minutes and then I'm gonna plan. Let's go. Almost fell asleep. Maybe I shouldn't be that relaxed. Like maybe I shouldn't put my feet here and lie back. Maybe I should just sit down like normally, but yeah, I'll try that next time. But it is done. Now I'm gonna plan. Let's go. Alright, didn't take long, but here's what I did basically. This has nothing to do, I mean, not much to do with SpaceWise's directly, but this is mostly like, I'll just briefly show it to you and explain it. So tomorrow I'm gonna be doing simple retrieved execution, which is a technique, learning how to learn technique that I'm learning. This is a bit weird, but yeah, it's basically a technique that I'm practicing, and I'm gonna be doing some exercises. Then I'm gonna create some flashcards, and I'm gonna work on the thing that I've been working here in the afternoon, on my learning efficiency marginal gains. Basically on my learning how to learn. So I'm gonna be working on this tomorrow. Tomorrow is a math A-level day, so you won't see it in this channel. I have a separate channel which is in Portuguese, where I'm doing the same as here, but for another goal, for the math A-level. And yeah, with nothing else to say, I'm really sleepy, so yeah, I'll just edit this and upload and go to sleep. I wish you a very good one. See you on the next video. Let's go.